Hey everyone, this is Flux. Welcome back. Today, I'm super excited to share something really special with all of you. I've been working hard behind the scenes, creating amazing content, and now it's time to bring it all to life. This video is not just another post. It's a moment I've been waiting for. It's about passion, creativity, and the journey of building Flux into something truly awesome. If you've been following me for a while, thank you for your support. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because what's coming next is going to be bigger and better than ever before. So stay tuned, keep watching, and let's make something unforgettable together. This is Flux. Let's go.